Another pro tip is once you get that gaited horse going good, relaxed, he's broke, now we're gonna start changing the way that we're sitting. I know we've talked about having your stirrups higher, but that's for obstacles and trails and colt starting. Now look how long my stirrups are. I almost have a straight leg. And the next thing you'll notice, and this is like the upper echelon of gaited riders, but the ability to relax your hips brings your knees back here. Look how much, if the drive line is the front of the girth, look how far back we're able to bring our legs. And what that does for us, the further away from the drive line we bring our legs, the more forward impulsion we give the horse. So the more collected we can get the horse, the more energy we can get the horse, and we're gonna use just that to go and tackle a national championship this year.